What's this? Fuel pump relay. Should be the same as every other Ford. Yep. Fuse is before the relay. So that's fed in from fuel pump, red line, red. Can't choose the red. All right, fuse 18, which is fed from the PCM power relay. I just don't hear anything clicking out here at all, like last time. All right, fuse 18. Yeah, we got power going through it. That means PCM power relay is sending power out on that purple line, which feeds that fuse and fuse 23. We'll check it. Wait, that's not the right fuse. My bad. I had this upside down. Did I have it upside down? Good gravy, man. I don't know which way it goes. No. I had it right. But it is this fuse here. And it still got power anyway. Okay. And then fuse 23 is a 15 amp. Should be this guy down here. Alright, cool. So the only thing we can do right now, y'all, is get to the pump or the inertia switch. And the pump means we gotta lay on the ground. So let's, that's our only option. Let's do that.